美味的。
delicious,
delicious.
苹果派很美味。
The apple pie is delicious. The apple pie is delicious.
她烹饪的食物很美味。
She cooks delicious meals. She cooks delicious meals.
甜的。
sweet,
Sweet.
她喜欢吃甜点。
She likes sweet desserts. She likes sweet desserts.
这个水果很甜。
This fruit is very sweet. This fruit is very sweet.
咸的。
salty,
Salty.
这个汤对我来说太咸了。
The soup is too salty for me. The soup is too salty for me.
她喜欢吃咸的零食。
He likes salty snacks. He likes salty snacks.
酸的。
sour,
Sour.
我不喜欢葡萄柚的酸味。
I don't like the sour taste of grapefruit. I don't like the sour taste of grapefruit.
牛奶已经变酸了。
The milk has gone sour. The milk has gone sour.
苦的。
bitter,
Bitter.
这个咖啡对我来说太苦了。
The coffee is too bitter for me. The coffee is too bitter for me.
他不喜欢苦巧克力。
He doesn't like bitter chocolate. He doesn't like bitter chocolate.
辣的。
spicy,
Spicy.
咖喱对我来说太辣了。
The curry is too spicy for me. The curry is too spicy for me.
他喜欢吃辣的食物。
He likes spicy food. He likes spicy food.
热的。
hot,
Hot.
汤太热了，无法吃。
The soup is too hot to eat. The soup is too hot to eat.
今天天气很热。
It's a hot day today. It's a hot day today.
冷的。
cold,
Cold.
冰淇淋非常冷。
The ice cream is very cold. The ice cream is very cold.
桌子上有冷的小吃。
Cold snacks are on the table. Cold snacks are on the table.
没有味道的。
tasteless,
Tasteless.
沙拉如果没有调料就完全。
The salad is quite tasteless without the dressing. The salad is quite tasteless without the dressing.
水果熟了，但是没有味道。
The fruit was ripe but tasteless. The fruit was ripe but tasteless.
多汁的。
juicy,
Juicy.
西瓜又甜又多汁。
The watermelon is sweet and juicy. The watermelon is sweet and juicy.
他咬了一口多汁的汉堡。
She took a bite of the juicy burger. She took a bite of the juicy burger.